story of Antarctica is filled with legends of exploration, scientific curiosity, and the pursuit of hidden truths. One of the more intriguing, controversial, and mysterious tales is that of the Nazi expeditions to Antarctica. Did the Third Reich send expeditions to the frozen continent, and if so, what were they really searching for? In today's episode, we dive into the historical context, myths, and lasting mysteries surrounding Nazi Antarctica. In the late 1930s, Nazi Germany was at the height of its power. It was a time marked by rapid technological advancement, political expansion, and a thirst for global influence. The geopolitical landscape of the time drove Nazi interest in expanding their reach, even to the most remote regions of the world. In 1938, an official German expedition to Antarctica, led by Captain Alfred Richer, departed to explore uncharted territory. This expedition, known as New Swabia, was named after a region of Germany and aimed to claim parts of Antarctica for the Third Reich. In the late 1930s, Nazi Germany was at the height of its power. The Nazi Antarctic mission had multiple objectives: establishing a whaling station for oil, surveying the land, and, some argue, searching for unknown resources and potential strategic bases. The expedition was well funded, reflecting the importance of this mission to the German High Command. Figures like Heinrich Himmler and Hermann Göring were reportedly keen on the project's success, believing that the frozen continent might hold secrets that could aid the Nazi cause. Accounts of the Nazi expeditions to Antarctica remain shrouded in mystery, with conflicting stories from both participants and later analysts. The expedition led by Richer was one of the largest of its kind at the time, covering over 600,000 square kilometers by air. Despite its ambitious scope, the German expedition was cut short due to the impending outbreak of World War II. Yet the mystery deepens as many believe that the Nazis conducted more secretive missions, particularly during the early 1940s, potentially using submarines to ferry resources and personnel to the frozen south. Much of the fascination with Nazi Antarctica lies in the enduring myths. One of the most persistent stories is that of a secret Nazi base, supposedly constructed in the Antarctic after the collapse of the Third Reich. According to some conspiracy theorists, the Nazis, with their advanced technology and experimental programs, retreated to Antarctica to establish a hidden fortress, known by some as Base 211. This alleged base was said to be a place for advanced weapons development and even harboring UFO technology. Beyond the myths, the Nazi Antarctic expeditions also contributed to the science of the polar regions. They mapped vast areas, documented geological formations, and collected data on ice conditions and wildlife. Although overshadowed by wartime secrecy and post-war intrigue, these contributions added to the broader understanding of Antarctica's harsh environment. Another element that feeds into the Nazi Antarctica mystery is the reports of unusual geological and artificial features. Some researchers claim that satellite images have shown anomalous structures buried under the ice, features that appear unnatural, leading to speculation about secret bases or even remnants of ancient civilizations. Could these features be linked to the Nazi expeditions, or are they simply the products of natural geological processes? The inhospitable and largely unexplored landscape of Antarctica has always inspired speculation, as few have ventured deep enough to uncover its secrets. The story of Nazi Antarctica is also a tale of propaganda and misinformation. During the war, Nazi Germany used exploration as a tool for propaganda, portraying themselves as pioneers at the cutting edge of discovery. Post-war, the secrecy surrounding many Nazi operations, combined with a public fascination with UFOs and hidden bases, created fertile ground for conspiracy theories. Understanding the blend of fact, propaganda, and myth is essential for piecing together what really happened in Antarctica. Capture the imagination, blurring the lines between historical fact, fiction, and conspiracy. The truth, as it often is, lies somewhere between what is documented and what has been speculated. From scientific exploration to whispers of hidden bases, Antarctica's role in the ambitions of the Third Reich remains an open question. Yet one thing is clear: this frozen continent, with all its harsh beauty and untouched secrets, will always be a source of wonder and curiosity.